In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to stamp an invoice in Zoho Books, a widely used online accounting software. Zoho Books is known for offering a variety of customization options for invoicing, including the capability to stamp details on your invoices. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and proceed with a Google search for Zoho Books. The search engine will provide you with several results, however. Focus on the one that reads Zoho Books. Upon locating this, please click on it. This will take you to the official Zoho Books homepage. When you reach the homepage, look for the option that says Access Zoho Books and click on it. This action should guide you to log in or access your account. After successfully logging in or accessing your account, your next step would be to find the gear icon, usually located somewhere at the top right corner of the page. This icon is universally recognized as the symbol for settings or preferences. By clicking on the gear icon, a drop-down menu with various customization and configuration options is displayed. In the displayed options, navigate to the one named PDF Templates, which can be found under the subheading Customization, and make sure to click on it. Once you've been redirected to the PDF Templates page, look for the Edit Template button and click on it. Here, you will be provided with a wide range of template editing options for your invoices. Next, within the Edit Template area, you ought to seek out the section known as Transaction Details and give it a click. This selection provides detailed settings for handling your transactions. Now, in order to affix the stamp on your invoice, you will need to scroll down and locate the section named Document Details and expand it. You'll then be presented with a multitude of details that can be included in your invoice document. Here is where the stamping part comes. Within the expanded document details, look for the option titled Show Stamp Status. All you need to do now is check or tick this option, and voila! Your invoices will now be stamped with the necessary details as per your configuration. By following these straightforward instructions, you're now able to stamp an invoice in Zoho Books, thereby customizing your business invoices to fit your specific needs. Remember, this is a one-time setup. All your future invoices would carry this stamp once saved in the system.